let's enter into this flat and see. And just this is visitor's toilet. As you can see, this is the parlor. Right from here, there is a huge parlor, not a small parlor. You can park in all your loads and whatever. You can see, this is the kitchen where you'll be preparing your delicious. Then the power control is here. This is your minor store. Let's go up. As we are going up, you can see this is the staircase. Let's climb up. As we go further, you can see the balcony and whatever. This is an extension. The place is too small, so we have to extend it, so there will be partial space. You understand? We are going up, going up. And you see, this is another bedroom. This is toilet. I'm sure you are getting it. After this toilet, we have another bedroom and its toilet. Can you see it? The piping for electrical work has been done. This is parlor. Can you see the parlor? It is what? Parlor. And then finally the bathroom. It is bathroom and it's balcony. Thank you so much for staying tuned with us. Continue to stay with us as we bring you different types of building structures and building method. Thank you.